How to use the Booking.com app. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Booking.com app. Whether you're planning to book a hotel, a flight, or just want an easy way to manage your travel plans, this app makes it super convenient. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any helpful tips. All right, let's get started from the top. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go ahead and install Booking.com from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have it, but see an update option, make sure you update it to the latest version so everything runs smoothly. Once it's downloaded, open the app. The first thing you'll need to do is create an account or sign in. You can use your Google account, your email, or even your Apple ID. I personally signed in using my Google account. It's quick and doesn't require filling in a bunch of details. After you're signed in, you'll land on the home screen. At the top of the app, you'll notice a few main categories like stays, flights, car rentals, and a few other travel services. So let's say you're trying to book a hotel. Go ahead and tap on the Stays option. Now in the search bar, type in the city or destination you're traveling to. Then go ahead and pick your check-in and check-out dates. Once you've selected those, the app will ask how many people are traveling, so make sure to put the correct number of adults, kids, or rooms if you're booking more than one. After all of that's set, just tap on the search button. It's going to load a list of available hotels and stays based on your search. From here, you can scroll through and look at the pictures, reviews, pricing, and all the amenities each property offers. There are filters, too. Like you can filter by price, rating, or whether the place offers free cancellation. Once you find a place you like, just tap on it to see more details. Hit the reserve button when you're ready to book. Now, if you want to book a flight, it's pretty similar. You just go back to the home screen, tap on the flights option. Then you'll enter your departure city, your destination, the dates you're flying, and how many passengers are traveling. It'll show you a list of available flights from different airlines, and you can compare prices, layovers, and other flight info before you book. There's also a really cool loyalty program built right into the Booking.com app, and it's called the Genius Program. Now, the great thing about this program is that you don't need to do anything special to join it. The moment you sign up and create an account on the app, you're automatically enrolled into Genius Level 1. At Level 1, you start getting around 10% off on a large number of properties listed on the platform. The more you book, the higher your level goes. Once you make a certain number of bookings or spend a specific amount through the app, you get promoted to Genius Level 2. And Level 3 gives you up to 20% off along with perks like free breakfast or room upgrades, depending on the property. To check your Genius level, just go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon, and you'll see your level at the top. From there, you can also manage your account details, like updating your name, email, or linked accounts. If you want to switch the Google account connected to Booking.com, you can disconnect the current one and link a new one easily. You can also check your wallet and rewards section from your profile. This shows you any travel credits or bonuses you've earned. If you've been traveling or using Booking.com regularly, you might have some cashback or rewards sitting there. Now, let's say you've already made a few bookings and want to view them. All you have to do is go to the Bookings tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll find a list of all your upcoming, past, or even canceled bookings. If you had saved any hotels to your wish list while browsing, you'll see those here too. And finally, if you ever run into any problems or have questions, Booking.com has a help section. Just go to your profile and scroll down until you see Customer Service. You can browse help articles based on topics like cancellations, payments, or special requests. If the articles don't help, you can start a live chat with their support team and someone will assist you directly. And that's it. That's how you can use the Booking.com app to take care of your accommodations, flights, and travel plans all in one spot. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials. like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.